When you register an account with Baselinker, it automatically creates an administrator account with the email address that you provided during registration. To check your administrator account settings on the home page, in the upper right corner, go to Employee Profiles. Administrator accounts are marked with an asterisk. To check its settings, go to the right-hand side and select Editing. The administrator account can have its own password, which you can log in and change at any time. Remember that the login must be a value that no one has used before. It can't just be a simple name, for example. It must be something that has not been used before in the system, similar to a regular account in the admin section. You can choose the language that will be available for this account. In addition, you can choose an IP address for a given profile for login and whether verification is to be only with a password or with the help of an SMS verification or email. As you can see, the administrator account has access to all the tools and we cannot change it. In the same way here, it has access to all the printers that we have connected to Baselinker. Also, we have access to every profile, and we cannot change it. So the difference between an administrator account and a regular account is that in the case of an administrator account, it has access to everything, and we can't change those settings. However, we can assign a default printer. If we have access to all printers, and there are several printers, we may want the administrator profile to print by default to one selected printer. This is where we can do it. Of course, the choice of this printer can be used later in automatic actions. As an account administrator, you can also create an API token and change the global settings of the entire account. To do this, on the home page, go to the tab My Account, and then select Invoice Data. You can change your invoice details such as VAT registration, address, and the email address and default phone associated with your account. Here, you can also change your password assigned to an administrator account. The next tab is about local settings, such as time zone, currency, date format, time format, numeral, number format, and available units of measurement. You select the option you have available from the list. Here you can also generate an API token. By entering the token and then clicking the button Generate Token, you create a token that you can later use with external applications.